Alright, so y'all remember when we did the optic and the rail on this, said I was going to do an install for how to keep it secured in your vehicle? Well, that's this video. Okay, so as y'all can see, I have a chain here, or I'm sorry, I have a lock here. That's not a chain. I have a pair of old hinge handcuffs there. And then I have a chain there. Secure the chain to the lock. Secure the chain to the handcuffs. Secure the handcuffs to the shotgun. And it'll slide in this little perfect little groove down there that's in these gladiators. Can't really show you all how to do this because I gotta have both hands and I can't hold the camera. So I'll show you once I have it put in. Okay, so as you can see, I've taken the chain and I've locked both loose ends to the lock. And then I've run the handcuff through one of the links. Okay, it's going to make it a lot harder to cut. If they want to just cut the chain, they have to cut both pieces because they're both locked on individually. If they want to cut here, they have to cut around that. Now, I'm not so much worried that somebody's going to be able to cut this, because what I'm trying to do is prevent theft from a smash and grab, where they just smash the window and take off whatever they can get their hands on. Well, if it's secured this way, for one, they're not going to carry handcuff keys, most likely. For two, criminals don't generally carry around bolt cutters. This is a pretty heavy duty chain. They're not going to be able to just break it. They're also not going to be able to just break a lock. So, unless they're extremely well prepared, I'm pretty safe that they're not going to get my shotgun. I'll show you it in place here in just a moment. Alright, now as you can see, shotgun is secured. It's behind the back seat if I ever need to get to it in a hurry. Just like that. I can reach in there, grab the shotgun, take out my handcuff key, unlock the shotgun, and then do what has to be done. Hope I never have to use it, but if I do, it's there. Now, to give credit where credit is due, I got the idea for this from OG's Danger Show on YouTube. He's a retired, I think, LAPD officer, and he now just YouTubes. I don't know what he's doing now to make money, but he's not a cop anymore. Lives in Montana or something. But that's where I got the idea for this, so credit where credit's due. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comments below. And like the video if you like the video, and hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to check us out over on Facebook, Scott Garland Presents 2332, and over on Instagram, Scott Garland 4. Until next time, y'all keep the shiny side up and stay safe out there.